Never stop improving. Jump into our Q&A show featuring myself and Matthew Hayson to get out in front and stay out in front. Only available inside Josh Phegan Digital. Hi there and welcome to this month's Growth Leadership and Management Tip. You know, inside of business, it's all about being able to lift the engagement and the usage of your existing tools. You know, as a great business owner, you've set up these incredible platforms for success. Think about it, the database, think about the email systems, think about all of the digital amplification tools you've got in play. What about your listing presentation visuals, the way that we go to do business, the capture forms that open for inspections, all the different things that you do as a business owner. But isn't it frustrating when people just aren't using the systems? The easiest way to change this whole thing that's going on is to use what we go to call plus dot minus. Here's the basic idea. You write down all the people in your team on the left-hand side. You write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key initiatives that you've put in place. The things that you know will move the dial the most, the things that will move the needle the most, the thing that will allow the business to really get traction. And then you simply just rate people as either plus, dot, minus in that particular area. Plus means they're nailing it, dot means they're so-so, minus means they're nowhere.com. Let's say we go and we have a quick look at the top. So plus, dot, minus. And then you start to think about 5 key things that could really make the business move. Number 1, usage of the database. Number 2, driving up the total number of appointments in the business. Number 3, meeting engagement when they're in the sales meeting. Number 4, listing presentation pitch and really nailing that. Number 5, let's say for example, their whole conversation about what they're doing inside of the business, understanding the formulas and generating the leads. So let's say that you've got all those things there and you go, okay, great. How does Josh go at this? Is he a plus, dot, minus on the usage of the CRM? Here's a dot. Okay, great. Well, what do we do to move him to a plus? How is he about driving up appointment numbers? Here's a minus. Okay, great. Well, what do we do to give him confidence to get there? Do you see what happens? So what happens inside of the business is that all of a sudden you've got these 5 key things, you have a look across all of your people and you can actually see if there's any patterns of deficiency. Maybe no one's good at using the CRM or no one's good at actually booking appointments. And now what you've got to do as an individual is that you've got to start to think about what are the initiatives that you can put in play. And that might be just a little 30-day sprint where you put some particular rewards at the end of that period to really change behavior on the inside of the business. Maybe it's some better training sessions, some better conversations with your people, but getting them into this position where they really start to think about what growth looks like. You see, to be awesome in business, you just got to concentrate on those things that are really going to move the needle. And the problem inside of most businesses is that they're chasing too many things too often. Your job, get really clear about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that you think will really move the needle and concentrate on that. Measure your existing people, put the initiative in place, measure again, and see if it made a difference. Because that's what business is all about. Getting clear about the strategy, measuring the results, and then adjusting until we get back to achieving the results that we clearly identified as being the target. I really hope you've enjoyed this month's Growth Leadership and Management Tip. I look forward to seeing you next time.